welcome back to Journey with Fiose. So in today's video, I want to organize my kitchen and do a little bit of transformation. So I recently moved into my new home, and out of all the rooms, the first one that I wanted to organize was my kitchen. So yeah, so let's get started. By the way, I'm wearing my mama's African print dress that I borrowed a few years ago and I accidentally forgot to return. But I love it so much. It's so comfy. I love the colors and I wear this quite a lot when I'm home. Anyways, so let's get started. So the first thing that I want to do is actually swap the cabinet handles. The ones I have are chrome and I'm going to swap them out for gold fixtures. And I think honestly, white and gold blends in so well. There's nothing wrong with these ones. These are brand new, but the look that I'm going for is definitely white and gold. And I just bought these ones from Amazon and they just arrived. So I am going to swap the chrome ones to these gold ones and see how that turns out. I'll do that before I even start organizing anything. So yeah.
My go-to cleaning solution is 50% distilled vinegar and 50% water. This solution is so effective and efficient, and I use it throughout the whole house.
So now I've finished cleaning up all the cabinets and the drawers. The next thing I want to do is align the cabinets and drawers with these liners. So basically this will prevent the inside of the cabinets from being scratched and also keeping them extra clean. So I'm going to measure the size of each cabinet and the drawers, cut them up, and then start putting them in place. So now that I've finished lining up all the cabinets and the drawers, the next thing is the fun part. I'm going to start arranging everything, all the items in the cabinets, and all these items have been washed out already and dried. So I'm going to put them in the cabinets, and then I am going to use these risers to create more storage space in between the cabinets and just to maximize the space. So let's get going.
The next section is the glass cabinets. I have a variety of wine, champagne, cocktail, water, smoothie glasses, and I like keeping them all in one area for easy reach. I'm a big tea and coffee drinker, and I have a variety of Tanzanian coffee and tea in my collection. And guys, Tanzanian coffee and tea are absolutely delicious. I like to meal prep my meals, so I have a lot of glass storage containers that I use on a daily basis. So I really like to have less items on my kitchen counters, so a lot of my kitchen equipment are tucked away neatly in the cabinet. I bought a lot of storage containers to help me put everything in place, and I'll definitely link everything that I showcase here in the description box. I thoroughly cleaned all the storage containers before putting everything in place. I am going to use the under sink area to store all my cleaning products. So first I'm going to take them out of the boxes and put them in the storage containers. Using these storage containers under the sink area definitely helped me maximize the space. Everything can easily be seen and accessed. This pull-out cabinet area is very functional for trash and recycling bins. Since I'm always washing my pots, pans, and dishes in the sink area, I can easily see some scratches on the sink. So I bought this sink protector to prevent the bottom of the sink from being scratched further. To avoid cross-contamination, I have 2 sponges. One for cleaning the sink area and the other is for cleaning dishes. How cute are these soap holders? I'm going to use one for hand soap and the other one for dish soap. My girl Risa, who's also my real estate agent, came to help me swipe the pendant light. She's really good with electrical work, so I really wanted to swap the chrome pendant to the gold ones. And the fun part began, unboxing and putting together the gold pendant light. So initially I wanted to decorate the whole kitchen with gold accessories, but I realized it might end up looking like the Trump Tower. So I decided to balance things out with other colors as well. My bar stools had arrived a week ago, and I had to unbox everything right away to ensure there are no damages.
So I'm finally done with the kitchen organization and transformation. I am so happy how everything came together. pendant lights over the kitchen island. I think they go so well with the chairs and everything else in the kitchen. I am going to start enjoying my meals by the kitchen island, and also even sometimes work over here, and also entertain my family and friends when they come over. But yeah, so that's it, guys. And thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so. There'll be another video posted next Sunday. Let me know in the comment section below what you like the most about this kitchen organization. But until then, stay blessed, and I'll see you next Sunday.